I'm Marc Glover. I'm the owner of Marwood Design Premium Cabinetry. I started this when I was 15 in my parents' garage. We're in about 20,000 square feet. We have about 30 employees. I wanted a nightstand. One of my siblings had just made one, a few months before, and I thought, I could probably do that. So I made myself a nightstand, actually. I've always been pretty driven, and at the same time, I've had a level of creativity and interest in construction and making things, creating something from nothing. We've been purchasing machinery from Sames for finishing products for over 15 years now. The products themselves, speak volumes. They're pretty accurate as far as the quality level goes, and it's definitely the top tier product as far as when it comes to finishing products and being able to apply a good finish coating. Obviously, we started off early on with just simple pumps, just converting over to Sames Kremlin pumps, and right away we noticed a huge difference just in the quality of the actual pumps and how they worked and functioned and the amount of time that they were down or not down. And then as time has gone on, we've grown to use the Micro system, which self-catalyzes, and it's a 2-component system that's been great, super helpful to be able to take that workload off our guys and be able to do it just naturally, automatically every time. We just installed an Evo not too long ago, so the actual controller portion of it is extremely helpful and efficient as far as really easy to use, user-friendly. We can literally grab anybody from the shop and train them pretty quickly to be able to operate any of those machines. And we enjoyed it so much, we actually had our Micro system on our handguns converted over with a Evo controller as well, because it's just so much easier to use and operate. I would say it's definitely been a product that I felt like when we've needed solutions, we've been able to get them from Sames. When we've had issues with whether that's finish, the way it's being applied, or the way it's being mixed, they've had great solutions to be able to take our guys out of doing those simple tasks and eliminating the headaches that can go along with those things if they're not done properly. So we work with Wurth Louis and Company. They're a great distributor, and they've been awesome to work with, alongside with Sames and the installation of machinery we've added to our shop and facility. They were super helpful. Our local rep here was very hands-on and was here when we had questions on the installation side of things and questions after the installation to be able to help us get up and running as fast as possible, which is key to keeping us going every day. What's nice is when we do have an issue, we have someone we can call and get great customer service right away. They've always had our back. I've seen them go above and beyond with customer service, whether that's even bringing us maybe a gallon of paint that we needed really late, even after closing hours at times, to keep us going, finishing the projects and moving on to the next. I always said that I would go get a job when I ran out of work, and I never did. So here I am, still today. Too much work to do.